Hello, today I'm going to introduce you to the module for Outgunned in English that I created for Foundry. First, you can go to Add on Modules, Style Module. Here you will have to paste this manifest. Here, I have it already installed, so I won't install it, but it will install it. And then you have to make sure that you have the custom system builder system. Then we can create the wall. We select the game system, custom system builder, we create the wall, we can enter it. Here we go to manage modules, we find the Outgunned module, the English one in this case. It asks you if you want to activate the Dice So Nice module. If you have it, you will see that it has custom dice. So we save the module. Okay, now here we have the welcome message from the module Outgunned. We can click on import the compendiums. It will import all the compendiums. Also, we have the link to the GitHub page. Okay, now we make sure that we have all the compendiums for the actors and for the objects, and also for the macro. This one, right click, configure ownership, and we have to make it observer so the players can roll the dice using this macro. Okay, let's start with the object. We have 3 templates for the objects. The first object I will create is the fit. I'll call it fit for now. Here we select the fit template, and this is a fit for the player characters, for the heroes, so we can click if it needs adrenaline to activate or not. To show you how it works, I'll check the needs adrenaline, and we can add here whatever text we need. Then the other one that we have is for the enemy fits. Here we select enemy fit template. This is the cost of the fit. It can be 1, 2, or 3. And we also can add whatever text we want in the description. And finally, we have the special actions example for the enemies. We select the special action enemy, how much adrenaline, let's say 2, and also a description. Okay, these are the objects that we can have. Now we can go to the actors. I'll start with the playing character. It's the most important, I think. Test. We select the PC template, and here we have the sheet. We can add here the role, the trope, the job, the age, flow, and a catchphrase. We can add here which mission. We can select how many spotlights do we have, the adrenaline, any experience. We can add more experience clicking here or erase them. Okay, what else? Here we have the attributes and the skills. Clicking here you can add or subtract the skills. To roll you have to click on the skill. Roll is made, and you get this dialog where you can reroll if you have dice left, or a free reroll if it applies. Rerolls the dice, we get another success, and we can go all in, and we lost everything. Also, if you have to add a bonus, for example, or a penalty, you can click minus in your keyboard and click on the skill, and here you can select which attribute do you want to use, for example nerves, and how many dice you need to add or subtract to the skill. So you can roll the dice and it's the same. You can roll, and I got lucky. What else? Okay, the grid, you can check the grid. You can add some notes. I have to change the name of this. And you can add bits by dragging them here. You can see it as we clicked on needs adrenaline, you have this icon. If it doesn't need adrenaline, you can click here and it doesn't have it. In ULOOK, you can click on this and it will automatically remove a dice when you roll. For example, here in Brown we would roll 3 dice plus 2 from Endure, and because we are hurt, it will roll only 4 dice. Okay, and everything for these conditions, and also for broken. Then we have the Death Roulette. Here you can click on these icons, and if I roll, now I'm dead, and I escaped. Here you can add whatever, for example, click here. Sorry. Here you can put things, mark it if it's in a bag or not. You can add something in storage, have some cache, name your write, select the speed, click here, select which one applies, and also on adrenaline, when you use an adrenaline, adrenaline spotlight, when you use a spotlight, you can click here and see if you recover it or you lose it. Okay, well, you can add more guns and gear, more storage. So this is it for the playing character sheet. We can go for the support character. Here we select this. We can add health and flow. We can add more points here. We can have the grid. You can add some notes, and you can roll here. No successes. It works the same. Also, if you click on Mayos, you can add some dice to the roll. Okay, that's all for the super characters. Let's go with the enemies. You select the enemy template. Here you can add basic, basic. In edit, you can select how many grid boxes it has, for example 9. You can select how many adrenaline you want. I think the maximum that I did was 9. If you put 10, it limits you to 9. And you can select which are the special boxes, the hot boxes. Also, if you are using the cloak and dagger, you can select the duelist here in edit. So you can select the level of the duelist and roll for it. That's the rolls as usual. And well, this is if you failed. And you can have a score for the chaps. Adrenaline works, the grid works, and you can add enemy feats and special actions. Here you can see how many adrenaline it needs. We put 2, we can put 1, it updates, and we can put up to 3. this, drag as many as you want, and you can add the description. Okay, then we have the mission sheet, for example. Select the mission sheet here. You can add the name of the mission, the name of the villain, the strong spots, the weak spots. You can add the shots. Here you can add the title and description of the shot and what was it about. You can measure here the hit. You can use your plan Bs. You can add here your right, add some contacts and clues. And that's all for the mission sheet. Well, you can add multiple shots as much as you want. And then we have the director sheet. Select the director sheet template. Here we can add the name of the mission. You can add the information about the heroes, about the villain, the strong spots and weak spots, the hero's right, as always. And here you can have a measure for the chases, and you can have more than one if you need. If they have 2 vehicles or something, you can click on this. I put in red the ones that give you adrenaline, and you can add some notes, select some special actions, and you can measure the hit here. So I think that's all. This, yes, I hope you find it useful, and I'll keep updating it. If you need something, left a comment, and we'll see you on the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye.